This is Michelle Pesco-Solido, and today's Facebook training, I want to show you how to create conversion tracking pixels for your Facebook advertising strategies. Okay, so what is a conversion pixel, you might be asking first off? Well, oftentimes one of the biggest complaints that I hear is when people are doing Facebook advertising, they struggle with finding out what their actual return on their investment is. Well, Facebook has a feature back here where you can actually insert a small pixel into your website that you're promoting. So this is something that you're going to have to use if you're promoting an outside website. You're not going to be able to add this little conversion pixel to your Facebook page or to your status updates, but what you can do is if you've created a status update on your fan page and you're promoting a website, then you can insert this little conversion pixel into that website. And then that way, when you come into your back office of Facebook advertising, you create that ad, what's going to happen is Facebook's going to be able to track it for you, and they're going to be able to show you the conversion depending on what type of conversion you're looking for. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm in the back office of my Power Editor right now, and you can find on the left here it says conversion tracking, or you can go into your regular back office of your Facebook advertising back office right here, and it's on the left called conversion tracking. So either button you push will get you to the same page, so it doesn't matter. So once I'm in here, we're going to click on this on the right where it says create a conversion pixel. And I need to accept some terms here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to name that conversion pixel. So let's just say I was promoting a course that, I just created, maybe a Facebook advertising course. So I'm just going to call this, Facebook advertising course. All right. Now, the category is what you want to track. So if I've inserted this pixel that I'm about to create on my sales page, now I want to know if this ad that I'm running on Facebook, I want to know how many people actually checked out and bought this product. So Facebook's going to be able to track that for me by creating this conversion pixel. Maybe I've run an ad about a webinar that's coming up, and I want to see how effective my ad is to getting people to register for that webinar. I could click on here and create a conversion pixel to track how many people registered. Maybe I'm promoting a page that's simply for me to generate leads, and now I've created an ad around it, and now I'm looking to track how many leads I got from that particular ad. Again, you've got to tell Facebook here the category you want. So that's to track how many leads you've got. Key page views. If you want to find out how many people viewed the page by the ad you created. Add to the cart, adds to cart. Now this may not necessarily be you making a sale, but they're going to track how many people added this to the cart. And then there's other website conversions that you're going to be doing. So what you need to do is determine that. So let's just say I want to create one for webinar registrations. I want to track now. I've created an ad, and now I want to know how many people, when they click on the link in my ad and go to the registration page of my webinar, now I want to know how many people have actually registered for this webinar. So I'm telling Facebook, please track this for me. And all you're going to do is you're going to create that pixel. Then from there, you're going to copy this code, and then you're going to paste it. Now this is going to be a little bit more technical for some of you. If you, like for instance, I create a lot of web pages or sales pages or opt-in pages using WordPress. So I can go into my back office of my WordPress on that page, and I can insert this script. And that way, what's going to happen is now you're going to be able to use the reporting function of Facebook and determine your conversions, or how many people in this particular situation registered for the webinar, because that's what I'm tracking here. I'm tracking registrations. Now I realize this is an advanced, but there's a lot of really great advanced strategies that you could be using with Facebook, and I want to make sure that I'm sharing that with my audience and not just the basic stuff. So if this seems a little advanced to you, it's okay. Save it. Put it aside till you get to this point, because this is really helpful information when tracking what your return on investment is. Because you don't want to go out there and create an ad And if you're tracking the sales of it, you're not making any sales, or you're trying to guess and figure it out, and you don't know where your sales are coming from, you don't want to be wasting your money on Facebook if none of your sales are coming from your Facebook ads. So this is a great way to be able to track your whether you're getting conversions, whether you're getting sales, whether you're getting webinar registrations. You saw all the different categories there, so you just have to choose that. So if you don't know anything about, installing this code on your website, I mean, don't frustrate yourself. Please, please, please. If it takes you longer than 30 minutes to an hour to figure something out, just go outsource it. Okay? I mean, that's what I would do. Just it makes your life much, much easier. I don't get into all this coding and stuff. I stick to just marketing on Facebook. So I hope you got a lot of value in this video and that this helps you with your Facebook advertising. Be sure to comment, like it, and I will see you in the next training video. Bye-bye.